Hello, my name is Patarapan Kertpan, nickname A. I am 19 years old and currently studying at Pibun Songkham Ratchapat University. I graduated from Chonan Vittayakom School in Pibun Province. I enjoy playing football and after graduation, I aspire to become a civil servant. Today I am going to make a pan pot from a water bottle. Materials needed: 1. Plastic water bottle. 2. Scissors. 3. Screwdriver. Instruction: 1. Cut off the top part of the bottle. 2. Make small canet hole at the bottom. Fill with soil and plant. However, I didn't have any soil input. Thank you.